In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your IKEA account. Whether you're no longer shopping at IKEA or just looking to reduce your online footprint, we'll guide you through each step to ensure your account is properly deleted. Let's dive in. Start by visiting the IKEA website. Here, you'll want to select your country or region from the list that appears. This makes sure you are using the correct regional website and accessing the right customer settings. Once you're on the homepage, locate the login or sign up option. Even if you don't yet have an account, click here to proceed. Once you're there, click on sign in to access your account. This is where you'll need to enter your login details. Type in your registered email address, then click login with your password. Now enter your password on the subsequent page. It's crucial to accurately input your credentials to avoid any access issues. After that, just click on Login to enter your account dashboard. Now that you're logged in, click on your profile in the top right corner of the page. This area is your personal dashboard where all your account information is stored. Head over to the Manage Account section. Under Manage Account, click on Login and Security, which holds your login information. Here, you'll see options to edit your password if needed. Make sure everything is correct, but if you're satisfied, proceed to the next step. It's important to review this section before deleting your account, since any changes here will ensure a smooth finalization. Next, go to the Delete Account option. You'll need to submit your account deletion request by clicking either Delete My Account or Request Account Deletion. IKEA might require a confirmation of your identity, so be prepared to re-enter your password. Then comes a crucial step. Carefully read the warning message. It explains that all your stored data, including orders, favorites, and IKEA family details, will be permanently erased. If you wish to proceed, confirm by clicking Yes, delete my account. Afterward, IKEA will send a confirmation email to your registered email address. Open this email and click the confirmation link included within to finalize your request. IKEA will typically delete your account within 30 days, as per GDPR and local privacy policies. If you encounter any difficulties or the online option doesn't work, reach out to IKEA support. Scroll to Customer Services at the bottom of the website and click Contact Us. Choose between an email, chat, or call and request a manual deletion. Provide your full name, email address, and a brief message such as I want my IKEA account permanently deleted. Finally, IKEA will notify you when your account is fully deleted. You won't have access to your account anymore, which includes your IKEA family rewards or order history. This final confirmation ensures your account has been successfully removed. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in managing your online presence.